Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, March the 2nd, 2021. The last puzzle is a Tectonic one with 4 stars. Yes, with 4 stars. And this puzzle will be number 2408. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! 10. This not so much printed digits. So it could be a 4 stars Sudoku or Tectonic. It could be. Alright, so let's get started. And the first strategy is to find a single box. I see here a single box and there a single box. Single boxes, always a 1. Alright, then the dual boxes. I see here a dual box, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Here also a single box. I cannot fill this directly, so I mark those 2 boxes. Here also a dual box, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Do we have here more? No triple boxes. No triple boxes. Alright. So we can start, and the following strategy is to find some shapes or constructions or figures. For example, the T construction or T shape. The T shape. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box is the same number as that box. Alright, but also this box has the same number as that box. Okay, remind this because do we have more T shapes or T constructions? No. Alright, then the L shape. We have an L shape here. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box, and you can rotate the figure of the shape. So, or in mirrored. Look, we have the L shape, and this is in mirrored. So it's the same. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. We have more L shape. We have a T construction here. So this box has the same number as that box, but also this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following figure. This kind of shape. Yes. And this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. This, yeah. So this should be a 3. This should be a 3. And if you flip this figure, we have here the same, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have these kind here? Yeah, here we have another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, then the following figure, this figure here. This box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. And this is the same figure as that figure, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then this kind of figure we have here. This box has the same number as that box. So it should be a 1, this. Yeah. This should be a 1. and because this one is the same as that box, this should be a 1. And because we have a dual box here, 1 and a 2, this box cannot be a 1 anymore. So this box should be a 1 and this should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 1. Alright, this kind of shape again, same as this one. So this box has the same number as that box, and it's a 1 or a 2, but I cannot place a 1 here because we have a 1 here. So this should be a 2. So this box should be a 2 also, and this box should be a 1. Now this box is connected with that box, so this should be a 1. Alright, this kind, yeah. Do we have more? No, we have a Z construction. The Z, that means that this box has the same number as that box, and this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, so this box. Alright, so some figures you need to recognize, so it's easier to fill the numbers. So we have a 1 and a 2 here. I cannot place a 1 here because otherwise this will be a 1, and we already have a 1 here. So this should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 2. So this box should be a 1. Alright, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. I cannot place a 1 here. We have a 1 here, so this should be a 1. This should be a 5. Alright. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 2 here, so the 2 should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and the 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Well, I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 2 here, the 2 should be there. Alright, those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 5. Alright. 1, 2, 5. 3 and 4. 3, 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. these 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Cannot be 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 102. This box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1, but these 2 boxes can also not be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means in this area we need a 1, and this box cannot be a 1 because I see here double 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place a 1 here, that means that this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 1, and I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so it's not the solution that I place the 1 here. So this is not the solution, the 1 here. So the 1 should be there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, now we have a 4 here. This box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 4. And this box is also connected with that box, so this should be also a 4. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 4. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 4. Alright, so now we have 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yeah. 3 and 4. Okay. 3, 3. Let me see. 1, 3, 4. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Alright. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 5 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. But we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this should be a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box, those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. How about those 3 numbers? This box cannot be a 1. But also this box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and a 3. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3, and this should be a 2. Alright, 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this should be a 4. Alright, this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright, this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 5. Alright, 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those, 3 and the 4. We have here 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Let me see. We have here, this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. The 1 is also missing. We see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair here. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, this number should be also a 1, and we have a 1 here. So this is not the 1. This should be a 4. And this should be a 1. And this number is the same number as that number. So this should be also a 4. 1 number left in this T connection for the number 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Alright. This number should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. It's definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this should be a 4. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. So what are the other 2 numbers? Should be the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, so this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 1. Alright, 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Wow. With 10 printed digits. I like this one. I like this Tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? I think rather 3 stars. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Wednesday. Have a great day. See you then. Bye bye for now.